What's going on, guys? We're going to go over tomorrow's game plan. So what I've got on the right hand side of the screen is a 1 hour time frame. On the left hand side is a 15-minute, but I want to focus on the 1 hour time frame. The reason why I want to focus on this 1 hour time frame, I got a little bit more data, and what I did is I drew some Fibonacci's. Okay, I drew some Fibonacci's, and I'll zoom all the way out here. What I did was go from the absolute high down to the low point over the last month, right? So from 523 to where we currently stand. Look at how well these bounce spots are matching up with the Fibonacci's. So if this was the low and we put in this big old run up and we came down, we came all the way down to the 23.6, bounced off it to a T. Another high, bounced off to 50%. Another high, bounced off to 50%. Another high, came into the golden pocket ratio here at 61.8%. So we were respecting these ranges pretty significantly. I don't really think that there's a trade here between 21,792 and 21,911. I would like to stay off of this range here. Okay, so this range is very, very choppy. If we get over 21,911, I do like the long. You do have highs 22,234. That would be an area to try to target this upper range here. If we start to close below 21,792 and we take out Friday's lows, we could definitely target 21,650. That's a great trade there. Anything below 650 that breaks and then confirms, you would be targeting the 50% retracement at 21,480. That would be the third attempt at retesting 21,480. First test was here, right around the June 4th and 5th area. Second test was here between June 12th and 15th area in this zone here. So if we do continue to push down, I would look for this as a target, and obviously anything below that, you have 21,300. Now, a lot of people are expecting, and when I say a lot of people, I'm looking at social media. So a lot of quote unquote traders, retail traders on Twitter are thinking that we're going to explode, right? We're going to explode because of the successful attack that we laid on Iran this weekend. That we're going to get this explosion. Now, if we do get some explosion in the Asian and London session tonight, right? If we fail in New York to kind of run highs back over 22,000 and we stay below that range, I would keep these levels to the downside on watch. If you're looking to play the Globex Open today and we get over 21,911, that would be, and I'll zoom in here, that would be confirming a lot of supply. Now, 5, 10-day moving average, dailies, VWAP, as well as a Fibonacci. There is a boatload of supply in this region. We would need to close, break and close over this region, hold this as new support, and then we would want to get long, and you would use a stop loss below 21,911, and you would want to ride this into Friday's highs, okay, somewhere into Friday's highs. That would be the game plan. If we spike off the Globex Open and then come tomorrow, we're trading down, and we fail to take out the high, and we fall back below 21,911, then you want to start targeting 21,972. That's the game plan. Anything below Friday's lows, we're targeting 21,658. Those are the levels. I will also post this chart so we can see these levels. And let's have a good trading week, guys.